Let's dive into a common pitfall that many investors fall into when trying to overcome analysis paralysis. The temptation to bypass analysis altogether. In the rush to make swift decisions and avoid missing out on potential opportunities, some investors resort to acting on hot tips from friends, family, or social media influencers without conducting any personal research. This shot from the hip approach might seem like a quick fix, but it often leads to disastrous financial outcomes. Imagine investing your hard earned money based solely on a friend's enthusiastic recommendation, only to watch that investment plummet because it wasn't backed by solid fundamentals. This scenario is all too common and highlights the dangers of relying on sufficient or unreliable information. The fear of missing out can push you into hasty decisions that aren't aligned with your investment goals or risk tolerance. This method can result in significant financial losses and increased volatility in your portfolio. When you make investment choices without proper analysis, you're essentially gambling rather than investing. The absence of due diligence removes the safety net that thorough research provides, leaving you exposed to unnecessary risks. Over time, these poor choices can erode not only your wealth, but also your confidence in managing your investments. Moreover, bypassing analysis undermines the importance of informed decision making, a cornerstone of successful investing. It disregards the authority of credible data and expert insights, which are crucial in evaluating the true potential of an investment. Without this foundation, you are more susceptible to market hype and speculative bubbles that can burst at any moment. Consider the psychological impact as well. Repeated failures due to uninformed decisions can lead to stress and anxiety, making you hesitant to invest in the future. This hesitation can cause you to miss out on genuine opportunities that have been carefully analyzed and vetted. It's a vicious cycle that starts with bypassing analysis and ends with paralysis, brought only by fear of making further mistakes.